Pick what?
I'll tell you.
Oh.
The bottom, in the bottom bar, the box on the right.
I'm going to be using the mouse.
Yeah.
Bottom bar.
Where's the mouse?
Oh, right here, right here.
Yeah. Okay, so move that. Alright, so go to the bottom. Bottom. Alright, go to the left.
Left.
That one.
Right there.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yep. Great, thank you. That's it.
Right. I did it with help.
Oh, Grandma's in charge of technology.
Hey, it took a while just to follow those directions.
Alright, so we have 3 kittens, and they came in. They arrived very well. They all pooped on the way back from the shelter. They pooped all over their carrier. Different carrier, not this one. So they're very messy, and so we had to give them baths before we even made it up to this room, because they were covered in poop.
They're dirty and stinky.
Yeah, they're stinky. So these guys, so I already know a bit about them because they got baths and I got to check them out a little bit, but didn't get to check out didn't get to check out everything. So it looks like we have 3 boys, and I'm gonna weigh them, and then we're gonna put them in the playpen over there. They're pretty sick. They all have upper respiratory infections, and they all have some pretty serious eye issues. Not the very worst eyes that have ever been seen on kittens, but they will need to be seen by an ophthalmologist, eye doctor, and we have one who has a pretty special nose as well. So guys will get to see that. And as far as I can tell, the nose is cosmetic, but we'll have to have that checked out as well. So because they didn't even survive the ride back without pooping everywhere, we're wearing gloves, just lots of extra protection since we aren't sure what these guys have yet. They are on several different medications, so I'm going to be weighing each one. You guys will see them, and then we'll do the medications, and then I'll put them in there. So
What do you need?
where's that bag of meds?
I put it in.
Oh, here it is.
Yeah.
I was gonna say,
I thought I put it all in one area.
there aren't that many places it could go.
Put it all convenient over there.
I might actually. Do you want to give them meds? No. Okay, I'll give them meds. I'll hand them to Grandma after. Let's get it.
Do you want a saving blanket or no?
Nah.
Oh.
I'm gonna check their teeth to see how old they are. I think they're at least 4 weeks old. So we have, they seem to have pretty wormy bellies. So they're each getting 2 dewormers right now. And some IMEX. They're also on an antibiotic, but they get that later tonight, a dose. Alright. They're also kind of hissy, which is understandable.
See how you do it. The first one was giving the meds, and I can do the other one if you want.
It's understandable they have some eye problems, so when they can't really see that well and they are uncomfortable. Here's our first boy. He looks so much better. I'll post the pictures when they first arrived. Oh my goodness. They look awful. But they look better already after their baths.
Putting him to sleep.
I sleep. Yeah, I sleep.
They got nice and floofy after their baths.
Yeah. So this boy looks all white, but his tail is just like a little bit cream. I'll show you the difference between the other white one. Yeah. Are you cuddling? You hiding? Let's get a weight on you. £1, 2.6 ounces. That's a good weight to start. Yeah. Can you see inside your mouth? Can you open up for me? Oh. Got all your baby teeth. It's a little hard to see down there. On the top, looks like he's still waiting for his molars. So, I'd say they're about 5 weeks. Probably the same age as the kittens next door. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. So this one, this one's eyes don't look as bad. Let's see. Now I get to do stuff that'll make you not like me. Alright, we'll start with a dewormer that doesn't taste bad. Okay. He's just clutching his mouth. Yeah. Good job.
It's like, yuck.
Yeah. This is the one that is not good. This one's icky. Ew. Ew.
There's always the one that you
Pull that
thing down.
Yeah. Sorry, we're fixing this. The sunshine. That's good.
We both thought the same thing. I'm watching all that. Think, all right, shade's got to come down.
Thank you. Oh, that piece is coming off the left. Remind me to fix that before I leave.
Huh?
Remind me to fix that before I leave. It's on the air conditioner. On the right, it's like popping out. Okay, come here. Good job. Good job. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, I can't pet you with.
Can't what?
There's no baby wipes on. Yeah.
You want me to get some out?
Just like it. Are you super cute? So that's pretty wormy belly. When you have when all the other things are kind of tiny and it's like pretty centered on just the belly. Usually means worms. That's okay. That's okay. We got dewormer. I don't know. I do not know what their names are going to be yet. I don't know what a theme is going to be yet. But you are welcome to give suggestions. Alright, so Grandma's going to cuddle with him while I go to the next one. So this is the other white one. And you can tell him the lights don't come in. Where's that coming from? Over here. Nope. Okay, seriously, where's that light coming from? I'm sitting in the one place where there's sunshine coming in. The whole room.
The one little spot there.
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so you can tell him apart because he actually has a little ginger spot on the top of his head. Yeah. His tail's all white. Yeah, you're very cute. So he has some more significant eye issues. It looks like maybe there's some scarring. Not sure how well he can see. Is it inside your mouth? Oh, he can see. He's blinking. That's a good sign. Sorry, baby. That's a good sign. Yeah. Oh, he has sight. We're active. Oh, that's good. Yeah. I'm not sure if their eye issues are just because they had upper respiratory infections that weren't treated, or if they have some kind of other eye defect. When I first saw pictures of them, it looked like they might have the condition called eye agnesis. I only know the spelling of it. Ew. You're okay. You're alright. This is the one that makes them drool. You're okay. I know, it's gross. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He's so mad at me. It's okay.
This one will just.
Oh, And we're gonna make you not hissy in no time. Look at that. As long as I stop putting stuff in you, huh? Gross stuff. Alright, give them some eye meds. So the eye meds they get several times a day. So the condition I was just talking about is a condition where they are missing usually the upper eyelid. It can be any of their eyelids, but it's usually the upper eyelid. And you're melting. If that's the case, there is surgery to correct it. But it's hard to tell right now because they're definitely dealing with what looks like this one looks like he has an ulcer. At least.
Is he gonna be ready next for cuddling?
Yes, he'll be ready for cuddling. He got gross
This one will have
stuff.
to go into bed.
He got gross stuff, so he needs some grandma cuddles.
Sorry to wake you.
Right? You're really cute.
Hold you up. Okay. Oops. Sorry.
Okay, you ready for some kittens?
Putting him to sleep now. I have to wake him up. Next for cuddles.
Alright, and the last boy we have here is a ginger boy. I'm told he's the least hissy. He's got a white belly and white paws. And this boy also has some eye issues. Same thing where I think he has at least one ulcer. But he also has a very special nose. So if you see, his nose actually goes, it's kind of crooked, but it actually goes up this way. Special boy. Special boy. See your mouth? Looks good. He seems to breathe okay. Not sure. So hopefully it's just something cosmetic again. Kind of like Poet. More unusual. Oh, does that feel good? Oh, you like the chin scratches? Oh, it kind of tickles. Likes chin scratches. Just get me doing. Yeah. So we got some stuff to work on with this crew. Some stomach things going on. Figure out what's going on with that. Some eye issues. Alright, this is icky stuff. I'm sorry, this stuff's icky. Ew, ew, ew. Ew.
Look at the tongue of his gagging.
So gross. That's it. Yeah. Your brother over there fell asleep. Second one to fall asleep. Grandma's on a roll. Sleep, baby. Oh, I didn't weigh.
We're getting special cuddle.
I didn't weigh that one.
Yeah. Oh,
I weighed the first one.
after they fall asleep, now you gotta pick them up and weigh them, huh?
Alright, well, I'll weigh the ginger one. Got distracted.
So they will swap.
Yeah. Alright, ginger weighs 1 pound, 3.4 ounces. Yeah. Oh, you like those Skittles? You like those Skittles, huh? Mm-hmm. Alright, let's switch.
Alright. Alright, Mom, I have to wake you up. Okay, gotta wake you up. Sorry. Oh man, Grandma, it's all nice and comfy, cozy,
Warm.
warm. I was getting rocked, hugged, patted.
Alright, let's see how you... Then you come back to me. Alright. So this boy is 1 pound, 2.8 ounces. They're good weights. Some of that might be parasites, but that's okay. They're not, you know, they don't feel, you know, severely underweight or anything like that.
Please go back to sleep.
They're not dehydrated. They might have been when they first arrived at the shelter, but might have gotten some fluids there or something. So these guys came in to the Philly shelter right before they closed yesterday, about 5 o'clock. And they were covered in dirt and urine. So this is their second bath actually. They got a bath yesterday. An emergency foster took them overnight, but they needed a rescue today. They're looking for a rescue who could really help them out, especially because of their special eye issues going on right now.
See what's going on, huh?
So since they'll probably have to see a specialist, they weren't equipped to do it, you know, to have that kind of thing happen at the shelter with the shelter vet. Look at you, all comfy.
Curious.
Mr. Ginger over there is like
He's just curious. He just wants to see what's going on. I'm like, what is all this stuff? Yeah, what is all this? What's going on here? This is a different place, huh? Yes, it is. I know. Yes, this is different, huh? Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna put this guy in.
And so we'll let you go in there in your home with everybody else, okay? You join your siblings.
Alright everyone, so I'm gonna end this stream for right now. But at some point these guys will be on cam. I just wanna give them a chance to get settled here and Grandma to hit the camera.
I didn't know it was that close to my arm. Sorry.
So they have food and their litter box and water in here. I was told by the shelter that 2 of them were eating solids. I don't know which 2. And 1 might need a little help. So,
Well, there's one that's eating.
well, he eats.
The ginger boy eats.
These two are getting comfy back there. Yeah. You're a really good eater.
I think he's going to fit what you're crunching. Yeah.
Alright. Thanks all for joining us for our intake. And that kind of works, huh? Maybe I'll actually leave this up. I want to see who eats, so I just didn't want to put this inside their playpen yet. But
Yeah.
if you all don't mind looking through some mesh for just a little while, this will help keep an eye on who's eating. So the kibbles are over here, what he's eating. The water is right here, and canned food is right here. I'll let them get a little nap. Let's see. For right now, I'm gonna just get the ears off.
You want to go? I still have more salad.
Okay. Oh, he's eating wet food too.
Alright, so he's a leader. One's one high.
It's very noisy. Sniffed it.
Oh, yeah. Alright, he likes wet food. Okay.
Alright.
There's two that like the wet food. Okay.
Orange slice. Orange slice head. And the other one's sleeping, so we'll find out. That's a good sign.
That is.